Let's create a green approve check mark. So to do it, you go straight to new, you come here, you go straight to color, then you select the color that you want to operate with. So I'll go with this color, just click OK there, add straight to your timeline. Then from here, you just click here just to make it zoom like that, go straight to filters, you come here, you go straight to crop rectangle, let's remove this, come here, come straight here, take this, just do it like that. You come here, you can just add the same thing. You can also do the same everything in this one. It's just I want my work to be neat and very easy for me to understand, so I'll use two. This one is for trapping, strictly for trapping. So I'll just come here, just remove this, then I'll just go straight to my keyframe because I'll be adding my first keyframe here. So let's just zoom this maybe around here. I want to have this kind of a keyframe, so where it say drop right here, size position, create the first keyframe. Then from here I want this straight to be on 0, so it will just open, until here. When it comes around here, it will be on full. Actually, I can even take this, put it right here so that it can be move a little bit faster. Then from here you just go back to your timeline. This is what we have so far. Make sure like it's transparent there. You go here, go to search 360, then here you go to the 360 equal rectangle to stereo traffic, select that thing, it will change it to a circle, remove that. Then from here you can just go straight to properties, go straight to color. You just copy like your color code because I want to create a new color. You just gotta just paste like your color code just like that, then you add it straight to your timeline. So what you will do right here, you can just I want just to switch those. I want this to be up. Yes, I know you can just move the track up and move another track downwards, but I didn't do that. So what I will do, I want to drop this one to be the same as a below one, so go straight to your filters, come here, go straight to drop circle, and just make it inspect. Just do it until you can see that one. So I gotta make it like to seem like it's just big like that. Move it a little bit again, okay, at that point. So I just move this until around this area. Yes, because it's getting full. Let me just go see my circle is full where. So from here, that's where like I have to start this triangle. So from here I want to animate again from maybe around until here. I want my circle, so come here, go straight to position, then just create like the first keyframe there, click there, so this is I just want to make this very small. I want it just that very small. You can also just use zoom, the easiest way here, just like that. So it will just zoom until around here, that circle, then go straight to your timeline. So this is what we have so far. Then you just come straight here, you can go straight to your classmate. Then for a classmate, just add straight to your timeline. And then you can just name your classmate file. So I'll call it just classmate check mark, just like that. Just click save. So what you have to do, just go straight in this thing. Then from here you just make sure like your fill is straight on 0. Go straight to your fill, just make sure your fill is straight on 0. Go straight to stroke, make sure your stroke is on white. Go straight to style, make sure it's on 50 right here. This is generally how thick you want it to be. Then for the color, I will just keep it on white for now. Then I'll just create my thick just like that. You can do it how you want to do it, but I just wanted to do it like this. You can just make it inside the box just like that, but I don't know why. For me personally, I just feel like when I do it like this, it pretty like just look great for me. Then from here you just close here, then you just look the stove, that's what I call it. This is a stove, 4-burner stove. Just select it, then you come just straight here, you just click option, go straight to part, you go straight to add, then from add you go straight to trim part. Then from your trim part you just go downwards, you just go straight to your trim part, you go straight to that arrow, then you will see the end, then you come straight to the end. I believe we are working on 25 frames per second, so come straight to 25 frames per second. Just make sure you select that thing. So this will be your first keyframe. Just select that 100, then you just click enter, it will just create the first keyframe. Then you go straight there, just go backwards, make sure you select that to make sure you're straight there. Then you just double click that, you just remove the first 10, put it on 0 just like that. Then you just play it, it will just make that kind of a tick. That's exactly what we want. Then now I want it like that. So I noticed like every time like I save my tick, it changes on Shotcut. It changes to be a black one. If I make a white one, it will be black. If I make the black one, it will be white. So I can just change this to be black. Control Z. So there's one thing that you need to notice. Just let's click Control Z. So from here guys, what you have to do, just go straight here. You just make sure you select that thing, then you just come here, double click there, just make that on 0, click OK, then you make straight on 25, then select that thing, then you put 100, then you click OK. Then from here, the only thing that you have to do from here, you just click X, then you just save. Then from here you just click reload, then you can see your tick is there. But if you do notice, the color is black, so you just come here, then you go straight search negative or search invade colors, so it will just change your color to be white. Then from here you just make sure like you add. So I think that from here you can come right here, then you can just delete everything. Control Z. So my mark is still not visible there, so just come select that until the end. Your animation, save it. I will just play it. I will just save it and I'll just play it to you. So there's still a lot of things that you can do. You can just save it and you keep cutting it and just changing the speed until it becomes like the exact speed that you want. Thank you so much guys, hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the comment what I should do on the next video. Thank you so much.